Welcome to AMC Theaters. How can I help you? Oh, you have a ticket this evening. Black Widow Premiere Access. Well, you are at the correct place, the Love Nest. You're right, I should check to make sure this is right. All right, let me take this. There we go. You can have that back. And let me take you to your seat.
Thank you. Should I pay?
Put your comfy slippers on, yes. Okay, let me walk you to your seat. As you can see, the seats are not labeled anymore, but there is seat 4A, 4B, or 4C. Where would you like to sit?
4C, as that
4C,
blankie.
yeah, it does have a blanket. And then we also have
A
lots
dog?
of goodies and a dog.
Ooh.
All right, take a seat and your movie will be ready soon.
Wow. What time is it? 7? Yeah, it is 7. Thank you very much. I see that you guys have a menu.
We do have a menu.
Okay. So let me get the popcorn, some wine, and some pizza.
All right, no ramen.
No ramen.